There's the mast with the roof, and there's Elisa appearing.
Oh, you heard the sofa then.
I can't help you with her anymore.
Eh?
I can't help you with her anymore. We've got a spare seat over there and a spare seat down here next to Heath, and I'm going in this seat. Oh, they're Crocs.
Don't put your Crocs near the fire, Danny.
Lisa got a picture of that today. She thought,
Yeah, she's going to send me it.
And there's space for more.
I think it's a pseudo scorpion.
Yeah, we reckon we could probably squeeze about 12 people in here.
Send it to me.
Well, not even squeeze, it'd be quite comfortable. There's 6 chairs in here, we've got plenty more space.
Or just
So, yeah, and these are fines from the dump.
open Google or Chrome or whatever Lisa
Chairs. What's the one that Kirsty's sitting in? And this thing that I'm in is a recliner, but you can't see because I'm too close to the wall.
There you go. It's a pseudo scorpion, isn't it?
Not everyone.
is it?